a few things on clipper maintenance and just troubleshooting. Um, on these blades, a lot of times when we're using them, the top blade will actually get frozen, and sometimes just metal on metal like this, even when they first come, this top cutter will be frozen, and sometimes you just have to get it moving because you'll actually put it on here and you'll push it down, and it won't actually be hooked up right. And so what I like to do is, to help prevent that, is when I want to take a set of blades off, all I do is press this little button here. It releases it back. And especially when I'm putting on a new set of blades, I like to run this and then push it down. And you can see that this drive right here found its appropriate spot in there. If it doesn't, sometimes it just gets in there and it won't find its spot. So if you'll just, I think a good easy way is to turn it on and then close your clippers down on it. Now, another thing that I think gets probably misdiagnosed is sometimes we think that our actual clipper blades are dull, or that our clippers are actually shot, like they don't work anymore. And it could be as simple as there's actually a drive right here, and it's just a cheap piece of plastic that you can replace. And I'll do this 3, 4, 5 times a year, depending on how much I'm using my clippers. And this, you can buy a replacement, and it basically almost gives you, as long as your motor's good, it almost gives you a brand new set of clippers. And I see a lot of people, they're like, my clippers don't run anymore, the blades are dull. And again, it might just be this piece right here that breaks down over time. And these clippers are built for this to be replaced, just as general maintenance. So I'm going to go over how we do that real quick. A lot of times, so this one doesn't have the plastic piece that sits over top of it. This one has the front piece, so I'm going to take the blades off of here so I don't cut myself. You pinch the sides and that just slides off. It's really hard on these cordless clippers to take this off while the blade is still on and put back on. You want to be pretty careful that when you slide this off that you don't try to pull it back, because it'll crack this area right here. You can run these blades or these clippers without these on. I like that they're on because the way I hold the clippers when they're on, I hold my thumb a lot of times down there close to the blade. But I just wanted to show you, whether they're cordless or the 5-speed corded ones, the drive in there is the same. And we're going to speed this up, but I'm going to show you how to change one of these out. So you just come in here and you just have a regular Phillips. And I think that when you're working on your clippers, the smaller the screwdriver, the better. I find that the longer the screwdriver you're up here, kind of the harder it is. So just get you a little shorter screwdriver. And we're just going to loosen these 2 screws right here. And then you'll see me, we'll speed it up, and then you'll see me pop this out. And a lot of times you can go back to um, having a brand new set of clippers almost. And I think another place that will tell you if this drive is bad is if you have a good set of blades on there and it gets really loud, like it sounds like a helicopter landing, you probably need to fix either oil your blades. If that doesn't fix it, you probably need to fix your blade drive. If it's getting loud, that's a good telltale sign that it's time for a new blade drive. And this is a cheap, easy fix. I think for less than $10, you can fix anywhere from $250 to $500 set of clippers by changing out this drive.